Give your child a star-studded look when they wear these cool sneakers by Geox. They feature a synthetic upper with a traditional lace-up closure to give them a secure and comfortable fit, and a zipper closure on the opposite side for easy on and off. These have a simple and classic look with cutout star detailing that has a glittery finish and glittery laces, giving them a look that's perfect for the playground. Inside, there is a leather and textile lining with a cushioned collar, giving their ankle lots of support, and removable footbed that is lightly padded with perforations for breathability, and they also have an antibacterial treatment, giving them a healthy foot environment. The midsole has a sturdy and durable build that's made to last a long time, and it's all on top of a durable synthetic outsole that has sawtooth grooves for traction with more perforations that expel sweat but doesn't let moisture back in.